So in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2. In this video I'll show you the LED light description. Let's take a look at the left air cap of your headphones and turn it on. Solid green light means that headset and console are paired. Breathing green while charging means that battery is full. Double blink green, which is right now, means that headphones are not paired. Solid red while charging means that battery is still charging. Breathing red means that battery is low. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.